Hello and welcome. This is David with CIMTECH. We are in China at the CIMTECH factory. We want to show you this new machine that we have available. It's a machine that has an 8TC spindle, 9 kilowatts with 12 tools, but also has a oscillating knife and a CCD camera. This allows this machine to do not only woodwork, like cabinets you can run any G code that you can make in your program, but also you can import graphics directly and to the machine to use it with the oscillating knife. And furthermore, you can import images with marks on it, and then with those marks you are able to do contour cutting. You can do carton cutting with a knife or with a spindle or a combination at the same time. This machine is available with a powerful 9 kilowatt spindle. It has Delta servo motors, 1000 watts for each axis. And it's available in 5x10 like this one with, in this case, 5 different areas of vacuum, 3 areas for 4x8, and 2 more areas for the 5x8 up to 5x10. All of these areas are controlled by the controller directly, so there's no need to open and close valves. And the machine also comes in a 4x8 configuration with 4 vacuum areas. So if you want more information on the machine, let us know. Contact us through email or give us a phone call, and we will help you with all the information you need.